Hey guys, welcome back to E.B.M's Toy Channel. Today we are doing another doll haul. I have this Barbie Sweet Orchard Farm. Everything's Sweet Orchard Farm theme. Here's the tractor from that line, and then behind there is the market playset. So, let's take a look. They both say Sweet Orchard Farm on the front, so that's how you know they're a part of the same line. And we have the Barbie logo. On the back of the tractor, we just see what's inside the box and then the potential for playtime with a doll on it. The doll is not included with this playset. And on the market one, you can see the fruit stand over here and then the smoothie stand, I guess, over here. And there is a doll that comes with this, so she's modeling the basket and the flowers. Alright, now let's get into the unboxing part so we can take a closer look at all of these. Here's an unboxing tip of the day for you. This box doesn't need to be opened from the sides because it's open on the front. There's no plastic here. You can just go in and cut the little tabs that are holding it in. And take it out, and then you can preserve the box for if you want to keep it with the thing, if you're a collector, or if you want to recycle this and use it in a doll diorama. So in the tractor playset, we of course get this big blue tractor, as well as this removable wagon. I wonder if it can open. They can connect right here. It also comes with this sheepdog, and I've never seen one of these that's painted this way, so that's really cool. It comes with a chicken, a basket, and these handles can come off if you pull, because right there is where they go in. As well as some purple and green cabbage or lettuce, depending on your preference. And then apples. So on the tractor, there's a clip here to hold the doll in place. The steering wheel moves. And so do all the wheels. The back wagon right here, on the back of it, it can unclip so that the dog can come in and out. And there's like some hay right there for a cozy ride. And here's the tractor with the doll on it. It was kind of hard to get her on there, but when she's on there, she sits nicely, even though she doesn't have very much articulation. Now let's take a look at the market. Alright, so let's take a look at the doll first. She is your basic Barbie, blonde hair, blue eyes. She doesn't have very much makeup on, which fits with the Orchard Farm theme. She's wearing this red dress that has flowers on it. It does not Velcro in the back. It's elastic, so you'll just have to stretch it out a bit to get it off of her. She's wearing these little boots. They have nice details on them. A little bit of a heel. Everything in this playset is sized well to fit her. I actually have these two separately. The first time this came out in any kind of Barbie playset, it was the smoothie playset. So it came with a brunette doll and lots of smoothie stuff. And then this one came out as just a market playset, like a fruit market, and it was $9.99. So I have both of these already, but it kind of adds to like a grocery store feel with a variety of different things, but they're different colors, so it makes it look like it's a different business. So this smoothie one has an umbrella over the cart. Here's the front. It's got pink wheels. The big ones roll, and the other one is just a false wheel. But it's round, so it will still roll. The whole cart will roll. And it's got this, so you can put the little juice bottles in here, lock them up. And here is the blender. It comes off from the base, and the base comes off of here. It attaches, they both attach with the little pegs that hold Barbie stuff in place. And I think the lid comes off too. Yep, are two of these little juice mixture things that go over here, there's the pink one that I already threw in and that orange one. As for this market, it comes with this green shopping bag, this register. You can see they're selling fruit, and there's some other stuff on there, and this scale that we put on, and you can move the little knob on here. Hey, in moving this around, I just remembered we actually did a review for the market playset, so check that out in the corner up here. This also comes with these 2 crates that can go on the bottom shelf, and they can't quite stack together because of those feet on the bottom of them, but they can be, I guess if you did this, that would work. These crates are a new item though, like I haven't seen them in any playset ever before, so I think they're really cool, and they can hold a lot of stuff. This set also comes with this bouquet of flowers, this bundle of carrots, a stack of corn on the cob, which has been in a Barbie playset years ago, but not recently, so this is cool to see. This egg carton that can open and close, a bunch of apples, cabbage, a bundle of bananas, and a jar of honey. Here's everything all together. Now let's go over the pros and cons. First of all, I'm not a huge fan of the way these dresses are made now, where they don't have Velcro, because I don't like stretching out the clothes to get it over her body. Just makes me think that I'm ruining it. And as a collector, I do not want to be ruining my stuff. I think the juice stand could have come with more things. Like I said, I've seen it in a playset by itself before, so I know there's potential for more items to be included, and I don't know why there weren't. Like cups with straws, so that it looks like you're giving it to a customer instead of just making it for them. I don't know. And for the tractor, I do wish there was an easier way to get the doll on, because I had to like split her legs open and like twist and turn and shove her to get her in there. There is no way to get on that thing and still maintain like fashion style, which is what Barbie's known for. On a more positive note, I love the crates. I think those should be their own little like accessory pack. Some crates with some fruit. Oh my word. These crates are great because they match basically any style you have, and then you can put all kinds of stuff in them. So great, very convenient, great for organization in your doll world. I also love the wagon that comes with the tractor because it can open up and the little dog can get a ride in it, and it adds some storage. I'm all about the storage. You can't store anything on this tractor unless you have this, so I like that this is on here for that reason. I also really like this doll's face. I don't know if it's just my doll in particular or if all of these Sweet Orchard Farm dolls look like this, but she just has a very sweet, natural looking face. So really fits in with the Orchard Farm vibes. Oh, and I love the accessories. Having a variety of fruits and vegetables means I can stock my shelves at my grocery stores, and it makes it look more realistic, which is what I like to have in my collection. So I bought both of these sets on clearance. The bigger one was $21 about, and this one was about $9. Usually that's the biggest reason that something will appeal to me, but also I do have a grocery store in Barbie World, and I do have some farm stuff, and I didn't have a tractor, so if I don't already have something similar to it, then I'll add it to my collection. Or if it's a grocery store situation or a shopping situation where I can add more shelves, more storage, more something like this to my stores, then I'll buy that as well. So I bought both of these on sale at Walmart. I think Walmart is the biggest carrier of Sweet Orchard Farm stuff. So I'll be putting this in my grocery store in Barbie World. I'll probably put this on a street corner somewhere. I'm not sure, because I do have the orange juice one already, and there's a photo booth. There's lots of stuff that can go on the corners in Barbie World, so I'll have to rework things to find a spot. The tractor will probably be the hardest one for me to find a spot for, because I have lots of farm stuff, but I don't have an established farm set up, and I would love to have that. So maybe I'll work something into that where I can have a farm actually set up with horses and sheep, because Barbie World is more of a city establishment and not a open prairie kind of place, because that would take a lot of space that I don't have. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, let me know what you liked in the comments. If you have any of these items or these play sets in your collection, comment down below. I'd love to hear if you have any of this stuff. If you want more videos like this where I do a doll haul and show you the kinds of things I find and what I found them for, or if you'd like some tips on shopping for Barbies and getting the best buy, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!